Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix this error. It's the error of another app blocking if we want to install anything from the Play Store. So it's really simple. First method, we go to settings and then we go to all apps. We go to manage all apps and then here we have to search for the Play Store. Now here we click on these three dots and we uninstall all the updates from the Google Play Store. So that will be the first method. It's really simple, so try that. Okay, so now the second method is really simple too. We just have to go to settings, then here on settings we go to apps. Once we are here on apps, we go to see all apps. We have to go to see all permissions, and here on special app access, we have to go to the other apps that are able to run at the same time with the Google Store, and we have to disable them. It's really simple too. We just have to click right here, and then we have to disable all apps that are running with Google Play Store. We just have to left only the Google apps. So if we left that, there is no problem. So that will be all. It's really simple. Doing this, you can fix this error. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.